back in the kitchen and today we're going to make some, oh start that again, sorry, forgot to introduce Jessica. Welcome back to the Mummy Cooks Kitchen. I'm Siobhan Berry and I have Jessica Berry. So today we're going to make vegetable egg muffins from my Lunchbox Made Easy book. Perfect as a finger food for a baby, for a lunchbox. What else can we have them for? Breakfast. So you're going to have some carrots. So would you like to grate the carrot? Now you can add lots of different vegetables, whatever you have. Actually, broccoli and tomato is another lovely one. So chopped up the yellow pepper, some sweet corn, some peas. All of these will cook in the oven and be a nice texture for your baby if you're giving it to baby. Good girl. So keep peeling that. Do you want me to finish that if you want to break the eggs into the bowl there?
Like so 4 eggs.
4 eggs, exactly. And a little bit of salt and pepper if it's for an older child. For a baby, leave off the salt.
I got a shell.
Oops. And pop it into the bin there. Good girl.
Go all over the shells.
So you just grate it like this, and then I'm going to just chop it as well so that it's nice and small. And then what I'm using is actually a silicone muffin sheet. So this makes sure that I don't have to grease it before I pop it in and they'll come out easily. Now if you don't, then just a bit of oil on it. Now, and then I'm just going to chop it up as well so it's nice and small. These cook really, really quickly as well in the oven. Okay, so the oven is at 190. And when this is done, they'll be into the oven for 20 minutes. And what you can do then is you can store them in your fridge for up to 3 days, or you can freeze them actually. But when you do take them back out, you do need to bring them up to piping hot before you serve them again. Are you finished?
I just need one more.
Wow, those eggs are taking a long time.
Because I was trying to get a shot.
You were trying to get a shot. Okay, and we're just going to mix all these up here. Now, so mix that up there. And then I'm just going to pop these about 2/3 full into each, and then Jessica will add in the egg for me.
Wait, I get to add in the egg?
You can add in the egg, yeah. Just when I have these filled, you can do that. And then again, pop it into the oven for 20 minutes. Really simple to make.
The egg is
and
looking quite nice.
they last 3 days in the fridge, so it's something nice to have for a lunch. So now that Jessica's whisking that, I need to season it with salt and pepper. Leave off the salt if it's for baby, just a little bit. And some pepper, good girl. I'll continue adding these into the muffin tray. Okay, do you want to pour it in there, Jessica?
Yeah.
So just very gently, because remember the egg kind of sticks together, yeah. Good girl, there you go. Well done. And you just fill them all up. And then again, bake it in the oven for 20 minutes at 190. Do we have enough for 2 more?
Yeah.
Sprinkle cheese on top.
Cheese.
Sorry. Do you like these in your lunchbox, Jessica?
Yeah.
I put them into the flask, don't I, to keep them warm. So I heat them up in the morning and then pop them into the flask. Or they're, again, a lovely finger food for a baby. So will we do one I made earlier? Do you want to bring it in?
Yeah.
Good girl. Oh, yummy. Here they go. So don't they look really good? I'm just going to half it here to show you the inside. So it's almost like an omelette really, and it's a nice texture for a baby. So if I squish it down there, there's no texture in it. You like to put ham and salami in it, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, really good. Thank you, Jessica.